I think we'll go ahead and get started. This is Google Sites. We get this as part of our school district subscription to Google Apps. Everything you use every day like email and Google Docs. Google Sites is just another component of that. I've got that outline that you guys looked over. It's pretty basic. How many people have used Google Sites before? Okay. Well, we're going to probably start with an intro. If you want to work on your own too. I mean, it's going to be pretty basic, and then I'll try and break it up and give you some time to go on your own there. But the main thing is getting signed in here to your Google account, and I'll go ahead and do mine, and then we'll have some time to let you work on yours. We'll turn the lights off to show you what I have on the screen here. Once you go to our website, you go into Webmail, and this is where you are every day. So up here on the top right, there's a little collection of apps, this little grid, and then you can go to Sites from there. So it's really easy to get to. That's why I like using it. These are a couple of sites I actually have set up, but for right now I'm going to create a new one. And the first thing we're going to learn about is the concept of a template. And a template is everything about your site that's controlling the colors, the fonts, and the overall look. So templates are bundled together, and you can choose a particular kind of template based upon what kind of a site you're trying to make. There is a section here for schools and education, and you can scroll down and look at some of these. There's one with books, kind of an outdoors look, one with the rainbow, and a computer thing. Do the computer thing. You have to scroll down and hit select here. And then you have to give your site a name. I'm going to call this Google Site Demo. It's going to create a URL, a link for me, based upon the name that I created the site with. Beyond that, that's probably all you really need to know at this stage. We can hit create at the top and move on. Oh, that's already used. Let's do 2.
So everybody's doing this then, basically?
Yeah, we'll all be doing it. If you want to watch me first, and then I'll let you have your time for hands-on. I want to try and break it up that way, because then I can get out there and really help you if you get stuck somewhere. It does take a while to create, so I won't go, well, there it is. That's not too bad. So, this website is made up of a couple of different components. This site is called the sidebar, and then you've got a home page, and each one of these links on the sidebar goes to a different page that you can edit. So to think about this is, the way to think about this is you can edit and you can view. Right now we're in viewing mode and we can't really do anything. So in order to get into edit mode, we got to click on this little crayon or pencil up here. And then this brings us into a look that's kind of like Microsoft Word. You can get in here, change things. Save that. That's the home page. And then you can go to different pages. Edit those, change the columns, the color of the font. Very standard editing and simplistic, really, editing tools. This particular template came with a video gallery. You can embed YouTube videos, audio. You can embed a calendar. There's a lot of ways to do that by going up here to Manage Site. You can change the description of the site and several other options here. This is the breakdown of the pages, kind of gives you a hierarchy structure. You can create new pages here along the top. So I'm going to let you get loose, started on this, and I'll walk around, and if you need some help, I can show you a little bit more in depth on how to do this. Go ahead and get the website open. You've got, now you got Drive. You could probably go to sites from there, actually. Go to more, sites, create. And let's name it something. Chanel Street website. A lot older looking templates, aren't they?
Yeah.
I had suggested sides, came up here.
Huh.
Good, good.
Jim's still signed in, so you
Oh.
can sign that as well. Oh, nope, sorry. Close to looking like it. The other thing to remember here is on this mouse, if you get too close to these, it'll send you back.
Oh,
Kind of
okay.
tricky, but
Oh, okay.
go ahead and get signed in there.
I don't know, I just went into my email.
Perfect,
Just
yeah.
a little email and then
And
just
that's
clicked on
what I say, that's the easy way to get to it. Just go into email and select the template there. The way to change that is the sidebar, right?
It won't let me, that's when I go into it. This is where I can get frustrated with it.
Go to the options.
It disappears.
Oh, it's because of that mouse. It advances, because if you grip that one little side, it's, yeah, go there. And then,
There you go, so
yeah,
okay.
edit site layout, I believe, first. And then,
That's what I was doing, I was squeezing the side of
Yep,
it, I couldn't
uh-huh.
get to it. All
I
right.
think you can click on these, and when you hover over them,
Yeah.
you can modify it.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, it was totally your mouse messing you up. You could add a new navigation section, like you've got biology, or you can just modify what's there. So it did add it for you. Maybe you have 2 or 3 of them in there, yeah. And then add the items. Sorry.
Huh, it's not letting me in for some